What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Printify pop store in order to sell your products directly from Printify. So the basic way you would use Printify is like a print on demand service, is like you would link it to your normal e-commerce stores such as like Shopify or WooCommerce, and you would like link the two accounts or your online store to Printify, and you would create your designs on Printify and indicate the products, the designs, and the dimensions and colors and everything, and then list this product from Printify on your store. And once you get a sale or someone buys the product, Printify would print the product on demand and ship it to the customer and stuff like that. Now with Printify pop-up, you can create a store and sell the products directly from within Printify without the need of any other platform or e-commerce platform. And doing so is pretty easy. Now here, as you can see, I'm signed into my Printify account and I'm on my main dashboard right here. If you don't have a Printify account, go ahead and create one. The process is pretty easy. Just go to printify.com and create your account. Now here what you want to do is to go to my click on my new store, or it can say add store right here. Click on it, click on add new store, and here is the option to launch your pop-up store. Click on it, and here you need to add your store name. Let's say how to simple, and here they like generate a short URL by Printify, so your business name .printify.me. You can enter here the name of your business, and of course make sure that is a unique name, since many businesses will try to create a pop-up store using Printify. Now the country for tax residence, let's say I am in United States. Okay. Now the next step is choosing a theme for your pop-up store. Okay, seems like it's taking a bit long. Maybe there's something wrong with the internet connection. Now here you can see that your shop name, How to Simple, is created right here. I can go ahead and click on it and view the store settings. And here are the products that I created earlier. Now I can visit the store right here to get to my store and see how it looks. It is now empty at the moment because I haven't added any products to it yet. Let's go back. These are products that I added earlier, like in other stores. Now you can go to here, manage my stores, if you want to edit these settings, and then go to your store, click on these settings, and here you can edit all the information and the looks and stuff. You can add a logo here, and you can add your social media links, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. And here you can customize your store by choosing a pre-made theme. Here you have a couple of pre-made themes. Let's say I like this one. Okay, save to apply the theme. And now it's successfully applied. Okay, now let's go to Payouts. Here you can add your tax information, your residence address, and select your country for tax collecting like reasons. And here, are you a US citizen? Of course, you want to answer yes or no, because it will like indicate your tax status. Now here in marketing, you can use Google Analytics and Facebook Meta Pixel. Here, enter their IDs to connect them if you want to. Now ship from address, you can ship from like the Printify default address, or if you want your shipment to have like a label with your own address and even a phone number, choose a custom address and enter the address and phone number, and these info will appear on your packaging or on the packaging. Here the order settings, and here you can enable order routing with the max additional cost per item, and here you can see how it works. The order approval automatically and or within an hour, 24 hours, or you can set time, or you can submit the orders manually if you want to. Now the tracking notifications, you can reset them to received as soon as it is available or at a certain time every day, and you can set the delayed orders settings right here, and the daily order updates to receive daily emails with order updates or not. And here you have branding. Here you can add a customizable insert card that shows the brand identity and add a message such as thank you. and here be price, and the price for you or for Printify Premium if you wanna like go ahead and sign up to Printify Premium, and you can start designing your card right now. And it'll like guide you to the mockup editor where you can create and design your card right here. So the background color, edit the size, add AI images, add text, add images from your library, add graphics from a templates if you want to. See, no templates are here. Now you can go ahead and design it and then preview it and save it and enable inserts. And for now, I'll just go ahead and skip it. Now the gift message, you can enable gift message for all eligible orders, and you can also pay the price per gift message. This is like a card, a simple card with a message for your buyer that says, for example, like thank you for buying and hope you enjoy the product, and something along these lines. And now, once your product is up and running, you can go ahead to my products. Now these are the products that I designed earlier. Now I'll go ahead for this one, for example. Okay, I can check on it. This is a simple t-shirt with a design, and you can start to choose a product from the wide variety of product catalogs and wide variety of categories such as t-shirts, clothing, accessories, like phone cases, bags, mugs, towels, and so on. Now, I already have a product, so I don't need to go through the process of creating it. Now I can scroll down and check if the settings are right and edit the pricing and all of this. Now I can click on publish. And now it says here it loaded up for like a couple of seconds, and then it says that this product is now published. Now here I can see in store. Go ahead, and as you can see here, my store URL with the product that is here. Now let's go to my product page that we opened earlier. Let's just refresh this page. And here, as you can see, I have my product. So you can create as many products as you want, adding your design or even adding simple text. And you can go ahead and use your imagination for that. The sky is the limit, actually. And you can add as many products as you want to your store that you just created. And the best thing is that you don't have to pay anything upfront or pay any fees. You just need to continue creating your designs and uploading them or adding them, sorry, to products. And Printify will print and ship the products on demand once you get payments from your clients. Now, this is how easy it is to create a Printify pop-up store to sell your products directly from Printify instead of connecting it to another external e-commerce platform.